we haven't met yet, welcome to Uncle Joe's farm. I'm Uncle Joe, or Jordan Ray, whatever you want to call me. We're here in the beautiful mountains of Western North Carolina, learning and using the skills to become a little bit more reliant on ourselves, and a little bit less reliant on all the systems that we've always taken for granted. If you like this video or find it helpful, you should like this video with a thumbs up down there. And I'd love it if you would subscribe. We can keep hanging out and sharing ideas in the comments. So let's get to it. Let me show you what we're doing. If you've been here a minute, you know I upgraded my chicken waterer with these cups I got off Amazon. It's been a year now, and I absolutely love them still. I mentioned in that video that I was going to upgrade my feeder, and it's time. I'm gonna stick with what seems to be working. I'm gonna use a bucket and an Amazon find. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I thought I was going to do a PVC chicken feeder setup. If you're looking for chicken feeders, you've probably seen them. They look super cool. I know they're so cheap. It's just PVC pipes. Well, PVC is still expensive. So let's go back to the basics and what works. This is what I have. Another Amazon find. It comes with 2 of these. A lot of them come with 4, but I've only got 4 chickens right now. So 2 is good. It's just 2 holes that go into the side of the bucket. It comes with a hole saw, which is very nice, if I can get it off here. And for anything else, I need a 3 and 25-30 seconds inch hole. I now have it. You need a bucket. I've got a couple options. So this is a used icing bucket from the grocery store. If you go to the bakery, they'll give them to you for free. But it's not 5 gallon, it's 3.5 gallon. But I also have this 5 gallon food grade bucket that I bought at some point from Ace. And I feel like if we're gonna do this, we might as well do the bigger one. So I think we're gonna do the 5 gallon. Microplastics. It's everywhere. Maybe using a knife is a better idea if you can cut well. Beautiful. 1 hole is cut, and there's tiny bits of plastic everywhere. All right. Maybe don't use a hole saw. Maybe just cut it with a knife, which is an option, and I think it's cheaper to buy the one with no hole saw. So, and I kind of feel like I want to clean it up with a knife anyway. I'm gonna get a knife, clean the edge up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Nuts and screws. Pretty good. All right, she's done. Let's try her out. Alright, and there we have a 5 gallon feeder. That will last way longer than that little piece of crap. I put feed in the caps right next to the feeder on the ground, and by the next morning they were all eating out of the feeder. It is the future. I've been using this for over a year now. I love it. It's fantastic. I don't have to think about the chicken's food often at all. Every once in a while I just pick it up, see how heavy or light it is. Top it off occasionally. If we're going out of town for a week, just at some point in the week leading up to it, I'll top it off just to make sure they're good, and it's great. I can't believe I used that tiny crappy feeder for so long. So highly recommend. It did come with plugs to stop up the holes to, I guess, put in at nighttime so mice don't get into it, but we've got the mice situation under control, and I've never once done that and haven't had any problem at all. So again, could not recommend these more. There's a million different ones, and I'm sure they're all fine. I'm sure some are just better quality than others, but as far as how it works, fantastic. I will put a link to these and similar ones down in the description so you can see them on Amazon. And you can get them starting at 10 to 15 bucks up to like 40. So pick whatever ones you like, but I'll link to them down below. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.